Tara Sherbert is principal in the Charlotte, North Carolina-based company, the Sherbert Group. She is nationally recognized expert in real estate tax credits and co-developing portions of a historic Drayton Mill in the upstate of South Carolina. Tara was voted the top 25 women in business by the Charlotte Business Journal. Tara will be speaking to us about how great leaders are simply passionate about the things that they choose to do.
Beyond my family, that's very important to everything I do. There was a gentleman, his name was David Resnick. He was the founding partner of the old CPA firm, which I was a partner of. And what was striking to me about him was his undying passion for what he did. And I would just observe him and his energy and how he would take 2 to 3 phone calls and conference calls at one time and just bounce in between rooms and just love what he did. And he definitely had a profound effect on the career that I chose, being one that he was so passionate about, and also just wanting to always have that type of passion for doing what you do.
Do all leaders have to have that passion?
Yes.